Hello and welcome to Overdrive. This is Rohit Paradkar, and what is in front of me is the Mahindra Xuv E9 Concept. So compared to the E8 concept that we showed you a little while back, which looks like an electrified XUV 700, this one is different. This one sits on a longer wheelbase to begin with. The E8 is a 2762mm wheelbase. This is a 2775, so that's 13mm longer on the wheelbase. It's also longer in terms of the body length. And while the E8 was a regular crossover, standard crossover, this is a coupe crossover. That's the design that they're gunning for. So before we go to the rear of the car, let's quickly take a look at the front. Now, compared to the eXUV 300 that we saw at the Auto Expo, which had those X patterns on the grille, this one goes with these simpler lines, and that's like a proper pattern there, right? It goes with that, but that's not the design identity of any kind. I mean, it's not going to be common across all the concepts. Every concept is different. This also get this seamless LED strip. That's going to be the daytime running lights. This, I think, is going to double up as a turn blinker. And in the headlamp cluster, you get a projector beam up top and a 3-pot arrangement at the bottom. You will see more detailing there on the grille, more vertical detailing, and then you have this bronze scuff plate at the bottom. And then you see a similar treatment on the window line. So we know Pratap Bose comes from Tata, he has moved to Mahindra, and he had put something similar on the Nexon, and now he has carried on that signature with this vehicle as well. Let me know, what do you think about it? Do you like this design element? Do you think that contrast is good? But apart from that, you get that vertical detailing again down below on the rocker panels. You also get that detailing up here near the bonnet. The bonnet isn't a clamshell type, but yeah, it looks quite nice. It looks quite prominent, quite imposing. The whole face is quite imposing, and then you have the copper or the bronze color treatment again over here. They're calling it copper actually, let's go with copper. So the copper treatment for the Twin Peaks logo. That is going to be a quick giveaway that these are electrified XUVs and not the standard ones. Right, moving to the rear. What you see is something that might seem a bit like the Kia EV6 in terms of the design. The design template might seem a little like that, especially with that seamless tail light and that panel coming out like that. It's a bit EV6 in my opinion, but I think it looks very smart, looks very hot on this particular concept. The seamless LED strip, I think it looks quite good. It doesn't look very monotonous, looks very sporty, and I quite like it. If we go lower on the bumper, you will see again that vertical detailing. Quite good detailing here. Okay, so someone's just turned on the tail lights for us. That's good news. You can get to see it. I'll also show you what the headlights look like. While we are going there, these wheels, aerodynamic wheels, completely blocked off. These are 20-inch in diameter. So yeah, that is the face, the seamless strip of LEDs that I talked about. I'll also quickly give you a glimpse of the cabin. So it gets those 3 screens that we talked about on the INGLO Platform. So those 3 screens also find their way in the XUV E9. So essentially, like I told you, these are the differences. It's a coupe crossover body style, and it's sitting on a longer wheelbase. It's a longer car. The width is the same because it's around 1900 millimeters for all the vehicles that will use this INGLO platform, and the height, of course, is going to be slightly different. It's 1690 millimeters on the height. So if you have any questions about the vehicle, use the comment section and let me know what you want to know. Thank you so much for watching.